Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Python 3.12.4 on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same on all Windows operating systems. Open any browser, go to Python official website, that is python.org. Hit enter. Now click on downloads. See, the latest stable version at the time of making this video is Python 3.12.4. So click on download Python 3.12.4 to download the Python. Click on it. See, download is completed. Click on open file to install the Python 3.124. See, here we have the two options, customize installation and install now. Also see here, use admin option, admin privileges, and add python.exe to path. So select the, see, this will be the path. So I'm going to use the custom. See, now it is, we can select these features like documentation, pip, tdtk, IDE, Python test suite, file launcher and all. So click on next. See, this will be the path for the installation location. If you want to change, click on browse, then provide the path. So I'm going to give C drive program files. Python program files x86. Select it and see here options. Install Python 3.12 for all users. Require file associations, file launcher, create shortcuts. Okay. Add Python to environment variables. So we have to select this one. Download debugging symbols. Download debugging binaries. Now click on install. See, installation is in progress. It won't take much time. It is straightforward installation. See, setup was successful. Okay. Click on close. Now open Python IDE. Click on start. Then all applications. Scroll down. See here we have the folder for Python. Its version is 3.12. See here we have the Python IDLE. Click on Python IDLE. Now print the hello world in this shell. Print simple. See, this is the string. It must be in singular double quotes. Close the quotations. Hit enter. See, we have successfully printed hello world. If you want to give the numbers a2, b equals to 3, a plus. If you want to sum of these two values, type a plus b. See, output is 5. Even if you type without print also, it will give the output. Okay. The other way to execute Python script is, let's open Notepad, save the file as hello world.py. py is the extension for Python files, and save this in C drive. In C drive only. I am not going to create any folder. Now print hello world. Save the file. Now open cmd, then give Python, go to the path, that is C drive, cd, c, dir. See here we have the hello world.py. So type Python hello world.py, hit enter. See, it is a syntax error. You must give either single or double quotes. But here I have given the one single and other double quote. So I am changing, save the file after modification. Now run the same command, python hello world .py. See, this is the commands we have given in this script. You want same a equals to 2, b equals to 3, print a plus b, a plus b, a minus b, a star b. It is multiplication. So we can give any number of commands, but the execution is in the same order. Okay. Now go to command prompt, run the same Python script. See, still we got the same old output because I haven't saved the file wantedly. I want to show you here. Okay. We go to the file. Now file and save, or simply press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Now go to the command prompt. Now run the same command, python hello world .py. Hit enter. See, it has not printed because we have given, so the script only prints whatever commands are there with prints. Okay, so let me give print save the file. Now type again same python hello world .script. See, now we got all the outputs. Okay, you can also open Python shell by going to run, then simply give python. See, we got the Python shell, or in the command prompt also simply type python. See, we got the Python shell, and this is the version of the Python that we have installed. See, I have created a variable with the value string. Suppose if you give var dot, and if you press enter from your keyboard, see, we got the methods or the functions available with string with this variable. So these are all string methods. Okay, suppose if you want to print upper of this one, just give the upper variable .upper method. See, all characters are in uppercase. Okay. So in the same way, if you want to print lower, give the lower and hit enter. See, W is the capital here, but now it printed lower. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Python 3.12.4 on Windows 11 operating system. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.